Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń wò mí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ètò yìí la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́yín jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ tẹ́tí kẹ́ bá wa wo àwọn fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá wa like ẹ share ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ kú ojú lọ́nà o.
You see inside the courtroom. Look at what they are doing to SOWORE inside courtroom. Look at what they are doing. Look at what they are doing. DSS. DSS, look at what they are doing. Look at what they are doing. Look at what they are doing in the courtroom. Look at what they are doing in the courtroom. Look at what they are doing in the courtroom. Look at what they are doing in the courtroom. Do you want to shoot us? 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 DSS, do you want to kill us? Do you want to kill us? Shameless people! Shameless people! Shameless idiot! Oh, go down! Shameless people! Shameless idiot! Shameless people! Shameless people! Stupid people! Amamo, go down! Stupid people! Stupid people! Animal! People there!
Jíjẹ́gbé tó ń gbà wọ́n yẹn ó ti tó tí n bá tún gbọ́ pé wọ́n jíyàn gbé ń bí àní kọ́ bàtà fẹ́ni kankan á lè wọn kó lu wà pátápátá ẹ̀ tọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n á ní bá dé gbà.
Wani rana? Rana ista ko? Har yanzu kuna nan kenan. To an ce an bada biliyon 1 da Honda 30 an sake ku. Haka ne?
Duk wanda ya faɗa ka yi ƙarya ne.
Ƙarya ne ko?
Muna na daji muna shan wahala. Ga kuma mutuwa.
Wasu suna mutuwa ko? A takaice dai ƙarya ne abinda aka rubuta aka ce an bada biliyon 1 da mashin 30 an sake ku ƙarya ne.
Ƙarya ne wannan.
Da wani magana za ka cire masu?
To abin da zan cire masu shine kamar haka. Gaskiya gwamnati namu wanda suna kasa yanzu su daina yi mana ƙarya tunda muna daji muna shan wahala mun san abin da muke fuskanta ga mutuwa ga yunwa sai a ce wai a yi ƙarya ran da aka kama mu an ce an yi ƙarya an bi an sake mu an karbe mu an kwashe mu a hannun barayi gashi kuma muna daji har yanzu mukan zo na a daji ga ruwa ga yunwa ga rana kuma gaskiya gwamnati su dana mana wannan irin ƙaryar nan muna wata 2 yanzu muna shiga na ukun kenan.
This video was uploaded on this TikTok page, Oga Jum KTB3 on TikTok, which I believe that the kidnappers are the ones that created this page, because all the videos there are about these kidnapped victims, these people that were kidnapped on the 5th of April 2026. So they've been in the custody of the kidnappers for over 2 months now. So what are they saying in the video? The kidnappers are angry. So they are saying that as at the time where they kidnapped these people, about almost 3 months ago, that's at the time when they kidnapped them, the Nigerian government claimed that they had paid 1 billion naira and 35 Honda motorcycle. But apparently the Nigerian government lied. So the kidnappers were asking the people, that is it true that they paid this money? So the people said no, they did not pay the money. So the kidnappers told them that send the message to your government. So those people said, government, why are you lying? You didn't pay this money. Right? Please come and rescue us. We are starving. We are hungry. People are dying here. Please come and help us. So the first time that they posted this is still on the page. If you notice, the man that spoke, his hair was still very, very low. He was on a low court. So his hair had grown. So obviously, he has been in the custody of these kidnappers for that long. And guess what? A lot of people actually forgot about these people. I'm not even sure that the Kaduna State government are still even thinking about these ones anymore. They've let them go. They don't forget, say, all these ones still exist. That's just the truth. You understand? That's just the truth. Now, this brings us to what I've been saying. I say government needs to act heartless. Government needs to act heartless. There will be collateral damage. But until the government are ready to go into these bushes and make sure that they give these people a run for their lives, regardless of the hostages that they have, these people would not stop. Now, Nigerians, we have to put insecurity at the utmost top of our list, because very, very soon, I will keep bringing this thing in your ears, very soon we will not have a country anymore. Now, they are going to neighboring villages. They are going to villages that are close to the bush, that are outskirts of town, to kidnap people. They are kidnapping people in dozens. 100, 50, 300, 400, 150, 200. They are kidnapping people in dozens, you know, every day by day. Very soon, they'll start coming into the city. Very soon, they'll start coming into the city. Very soon, they'll start knocking on people's door. They will come in large numbers. They'll come in like numbers of 200 holding guns, because they have the numbers of mercenaries. They have a lot of members. Very soon, they'll start walking door to door. Very soon. Put security at the top of your list in this country. We are going. Nigeria is slowly slipping off our fingers. Very soon, this place will no longer be called home, because the terrorists would have taken over. The kidnappers would have taken over. The bandits would have taken over. The government needs to act. Don't tell me that you are hesitating because you want to protect their lives, or you want them to come back uninjured or unharmed. You heard them. They said some people are already dying there. Some people are already dying. Look at those people. Those are old people. Those are old people that should be at home enjoying their old age, where their grandchildren will be bringing food to them, or their children, as the case may be. These are people that are supposed to be watering their farmlands. Because as people grow older, plants and farming start interesting them more. These are people that will retire, go back home, go to their villages. But there's no peace anymore in the villages, because these kidnappers have taken over, these bandits and these terrorists have taken over. And the Nigerian government don't seem to be doing anything. Bola Ahmed Tinubu and APC seem to be more concentrated on the 2027 election. The service chiefs, I don't know what they are all about anymore. It's as if they don't even know their left from their right. The Navy, the Air Force, the police, the DSS, all of them. It's as if they don't even know what they're all about anymore. I am saying this 100%. There will be collateral damage. If, for instance, they kidnap me today, make anybody no contact, say, we know me, the very dark man. Enter the bush. If the kidnapper likes me, no problem. But I'm gonna make sure, say, when I chase them. That is the only way. You have to scare them. These people are playing on your emotions. They are sitting on the fact that, they will not want to come into the bush now because they don't want us to kill these people. But at the end of the day, these people are taking a lot from us. Nigerian government needs to act fast. If you need more men, we are ready to go on a 2-month this thing. We no want to army. Carry us more trade for 2 months. Carry us enter bush. Voluntarily, we're all right. How did they carry some over 30-something persons into the bush? And they have been there for 72 days. 72 days. For 72 days, go enter 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Those people go turn bandits at the end of the day.